I just wanted to be honest with Angeline na sinabi ko sa kanya na kailangan tayo magtrabaho tungkol sa timing. And then after that, the rest is history. Alam kong magugustuhan ng tao. Pero she has to work for it first. Pero I'm happy that I got her and let's see what happens next. Okay? Ang weird lang ng pakiramdam na sinabi ko kanina na what if may isang nag-rap? Tapos tumawa pa lahat. Sabi ko, hindi, at least kakaiba yun, the voice. Pero paano nga nila gagawin yung magre-rap? Wala namang masyadong notes sa rap. Magsasalita ka lang naman, magre-rap ka di ba? Tapos biglang may gumawa, si Angeline pala gagawa. Uy, walang biro. Hindi ko talaga alam na magre-rap si Angeline. And magsising rap, actually. And I thought it was clever. Pero next time, gusto ko lang isabihin sa lahat ng mga sumasali sa competition, next time, pag may gagawin kang specially yung out of the box, yung kakaiba talaga, make sure na almost perfect na yung gagawin mo. Pero, at least nag-work. Umikot ako eh. So, good job. Good effort, Angeline. See you soon.